There we go. It's gonna be goofy anyway, I mean. Alright, good and good. Is everybody here from Denver or Colorado or anybody?
Chicago.
Chicago! We've had a few Chicago people up here today. I'm from St. Louis.
Nice.
You're like neighbor you don't want to admit you have. Copy clear, sitting next. Come on, step up a little closer for me. There you go. Alright, you are set and ready. Run, 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 and tuck nice and tight for us. Black rope. 2 hands on it. 2 hands.
Got it.
Yeah. Don't let go. Okay, I won't. Okay, good. Welcome back.
Thanks.
No problem. All right, ladder right here. Go ahead and hop up on that guy. Reach up above your head. Grab the cable.
Grab the cable. Got it.
Cable doesn't move. That breaking block will. What's that? Sometimes it does. Shush it. Come on now.
Thank you.
No problem.
I'm so scared. You did great. Was that camera the whole time? No, I just switched it. Okay. Oh no. Okay.
Grab that black rope.
Get it, Daddy! Get it!
I did. Nice job.
Okay, this one. Okay.
Should I turn back to video?
Yeah. So you can, oh, you're shaking.
Yeah, I'm so scared.
Oh, you just turned it off. It's okay. We'll leave it off for now. Because we have a hike.
And okay.
Yeah. Use the helmet. You did great.
How do you make it?
Good. I have problems getting them at the end though.
That'll happen.
I touch as much as I can.
I'm not sure. I think I
This is the
stopped
only one you'll have
recording,
trouble
but
on.
next time I'll try to
What's
record
that?
you.
Oh.
Is it on?
Yes.
Is it recording?
Yep.